we started Britespan, we really felt indebted to the customers that we had sold to for 15 years. And really that's how Britespan started, is we felt that obligation. And one of our goals was we wanted to listen to the customer, we wanted to listen to our dealers and really be known as that innovative company. When we formed Britespan Buildings, we had a number of goals to achieve. The first was quality. We wanted to produce a high-quality product that customers would be proud to own. The second goal was engineering. We chose to use StatPro as our engineering program. We are very confident in our engineering department. We use the latest technologies and steel that meets all specification requirements. We chose to hot dip galvanize our trusses after fabrication. We weld the entire truss together using black steel. Then we send it to the molten zinc tank to get cleaned and dipped. Companies that use pre-galvanized steel, they burn off the galvanizing on the inside when they weld the web to the tubing, which never gets reprotected. And that tubing will rust from the inside out. And that's the biggest difference, and that's really a quality standard that Britespan stands for. One of the key features that customers time and time come back to us and say they really love, it always ends with the light. From a safety standpoint, for the commercial industry, this is really important because as light comes in from all directions, there's no shadows anywhere in the building, there's no dark spots to trip or to hit something on your head, and so that's a really key feature of safety that our buildings provide. One of the other items that our customers really enjoy about our buildings is their portability. We have engineered our buildings to be permanent, but designed them to be portable. We can literally build a building on a site and at any point after that, remove our building and they simply won't know we were there. And so that's one of the key features in the oil and gas industry. At Britespan, we firmly believe in building inventory ready for sale. At any time, we can have over $2 million in raw and finished goods inventory. Often the only item that has to be created is the fabric roof. This allows us to rapidly respond to customers' needs. Our standard building line starts at 20 feet wide and goes all the way to 160 wide, and we build a building in every 10-foot increment. Then when a customer needs something that's a little bit different, we will take those standard buildings and customize them to the customer's needs. One of the platforms that we decided to build this company on was a dealer network that would sell, build, and service our buildings. And the advantage to the customers, of course, is that they're local to them. And their purpose is not only just to sell the customer, but their purpose is to service those customers long term. And that's the value of our dealer network. I think it's very safe to say that our product line is the widest of any fabric building company that exists today. We took what we knew before and then we expanded on that. We are committed to continue to grow at the pace that really our customers need us to grow. And how big that ends up being is whatever it'll be.